Samsung or Google Pixel, two giants in the smartphone world. Which one is right for you? Let's compare them side by side. For the design, Samsung offers a variety of designs from the blue, sleek Galaxy S series to foldable phones like Galaxy Z Fold. For Google Pixel, it is simpler, minimalist design with a focus on practicality. Pixels have a unique camera bar design and feel lightweight yet durable. When it comes to display, Samsung is known for stunning AMOLED screens with vibrant colors and high refresh rates, perfect for watching videos or gaming. And for Pixel, it features high-quality OLED displays but leans more towards natural color reproduction over vibrancy. Samsung packs lots of features like powerful zooms and multiple lenses, great for those who want variety in their shots, and Pixel is known for exceptional software-based photography. With Google's AI, it delivers top-tier photos, especially in low light or portraits. Samsung runs Android with One UI, offering tons of customization and features. However, it's more complex. For Pixel, it offers the purest Android experience with quick updates and a simple, clear interface. Samsung uses top-tier hardware, and Pixel optimized for AI and smooth performance. Samsung wide range from budget-friendly to premium Galaxy S and Z series. Pixel is typically more affordable for flagship features. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.